Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today we will explain where the alarm fuse is located on Honda Civic, that generation between year 2016 and year 2021. If you're looking for the alarm fuse, we will explain where it's located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be explained for your convenience, guys. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. On this channel you will be able to find, guys, a video for every fuse on your Honda Civic, guys, if you have that generation from year 2016 to year 2021. Why we make these videos? To save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, because without that fuse practically the car will not be running. If it's blown, you can just search for it and find it instantly and know which fuse to check, because even in the manual, okay, the fuses are under different names that could be really hard to diagnose. Now, another thing, guys, we're constantly working on things, taking engines apart, transmissions, fixing cars, and we have 3 channels that we have more than 1.1 million subscribers altogether on these channels, guys, that we daily put content that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs as well. So let's go ahead, explain now where you can find all the fuses. Another thing now here, guys, okay, you will have different kind of fuses on your Honda Civic, guys. Some of those could be really hard to find. Okay, we're talking about some multi-fuses, multi-block fuses right here. Those could be really expensive, hard to find, impossible to find in small towns or in the middle of nowhere. Relays can be overpriced as well. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get practically all the fuses and relays at a really good price and quick shipping as well. That way you don't waste your money, guys. So let's go ahead, start on it and explain about the fuses now. Where is the alarm fuse, guys, on Honda Civic 10th generation? We'll demonstrate on 2017 model. We have 2 fuse boxes, but we will need to open just the fuse box that's located inside your Honda Civic, guys. And if you come under the dash right here and you look upside down, practically right here under the dash, you're going to see, guys, okay, a fuse box that looks just like that. This is your OBD port right here. This is the fuse box towards the dash. It's a little bitty fuse box. We're going to zoom in so we can clearly show you what we have here. But before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now, guys, which fuses we need to check for the alarm? The alarm fuse will be located in that row right here, and if you look from left to right, you have number 1, number 13. So the fuses go from left to right. Even if you have a missing spot, you still count that fuse. So you need to find fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That 7th fuse right here, that 10M fuse, that's the one for the alarm. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.